Hello, traders. Today is Wednesday, July 9th, and this is my analysis for the Kiwi US dollar, and we are on the 1 hour time frame. So last night we had some Kiwi news, definitely caused a little bit of volatility, a little bit of up and down action, but really didn't do a whole heck of a lot. My bias is definitely down on the daily time frame, so I am definitely looking for one, two, three-way pullbacks to go short, one, two, three-way pullbacks to go short. So really what I would like to see today is maybe another one, two, three-way pullback, potentially up to a Fibonacci retracement level and another potential sorting opportunity. We are near the 61%, so that's probably why we got a little bit of a bounce right here. But my bias is down on the daily, and I think there is a chance that we do have more downside potential. So I'm definitely going to continue to look for these three-way pullbacks to continue to look for shorts, at least until the higher time frames tell me otherwise. So anyways, don't forget to check out my free Discord channel, linked down here in the corner. Take a look at my website, fxpipcollector.com. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.